DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector boy.
Gang. What's good, YouTube? Gang, you already know what time it is. Yeah, man, you see what time it is. Done back in the lobby, man. You see me? Same time you done in the lobby, don't know what go on. You see me? There are crazy reactions, crazy bangers on your head top. You see me? And today is no different. You see me? You see what I deal with today, man? They are with Mr. Hellboy himself, man. Mr. Scamming over music. Mr. Nighttime himself. Yeah, man, we're there with Skippa Dan. And today, the dog drop a EP, you know, man, called 4 Granny. I think it's a mixtape. I don't think it's an album. You see me? I say, I'm going to check it out and see what dog I deal with. Yo, Skippa been on a roll. You see me? I say, dog been doing his thing, been on a wave, been on a roll lately. You see me? I say, very talented artist, dog. You see me? I say, so it's good to see him put a project together. You see me? I know for artists we are weird for a project from, you know. Like we not call the name like Craft, you know. You know how long the pack they attack. You see me, boy? Yeah, man. Good for see that put a little project together. We'll check it out and see where you do. Well, I think a project from Skippa is long overdue, don't it? Yeah, man. I think a project from Skippa is definitely long overdue. So we're glad to see Dog deal with it. We did see Dog like premiere say something more forward. We need to start forward so soon. You see me? I say. The dog drop it, we'll check it out, see what dog I deal with. We now want to see everybody will say nighttime in our chat. We want to see nighttime in our chat. You see me, want to see Hellboy in our chat. You see me, I say, yeah, we want to see like up your comments, we want to see lit up your comments. If you say nighttime, we want to see lit up your comments. You see me? We want to see Bobby in our comments too. You see me, I say, yeah, man, Skippa. Yeah, man, the one I go look like, say, yo. You see me, I say, we'll check it out now, we'll be vibes much longer. Skippa. 4 Granny. I wonder where get the title from. I think of a whole Granny Boy situation and thing. But hey, I check it out and see what dog I deal with. Now will be vibe much longer. Skippa, 4 Granny gang. Let's get it.
Yo, 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓, this is cold.
Yeah, the PP it's something different, you know. Someone they can't control and can't understand.
He had something different, someone they can't come in.
Someone they feel
the intro.
Better than them. 4 Granny.
Don't see then I used to boil like a mina. Cause they say used to be the smartest in the room. Till me walk in.
Some say my smartest in the room till you walk in. What did that say?
The smartest in the room. Till me walk in.
Damn, there's a Rihanna sample.
Me no fit in, me just pop up in me a wait beat kick in. Dog, and no secret. Somebody second verse, me know me a feel it. Either you sing or scam, me know you're different from another average man. You dance on you God.
Man say amount of work when me put in, brother. Me stand out, me no fit in. I want to them, yo, come in, Skippa.
Dog, and no secret.
Come in, I want to them like the
yeah, the amount of work me put in. Me stand out, me no fit in. Me just pop up in me a wait beat kick in. Dog, and no secret. Somebody second verse, me know me a feel it. Either you sing or scam, me know you're different from another average man. You dance on you God.
Man say whether you sing or scam, brother, you know saying different. My dance all new guy. Datty dog say, yo, Skippa that you say. Like intro.
So tell that pussy separate the Air Force. Know they feel like a music by the X4. But me just laugh me down. Cause music never give me so much millions. But me not show my glory, me just talk.
I'm not sure I music by X4, brother. Hey. But music never give me so much
story. When me fuck up, everybody want to laugh and clone me. When me do good, nobody not talk about it. Yeah, do this for Granny. No, you're dead, but I'm sorry. Sorry, say God for me turn somebody.
Okay, get it. This is for in Granny, 4 Granny. Okay. If in grandmother, I'ma do this. Alright. Pick up yourself.
I'm music for my grandmother. I'm making money for my moms and my damn brother. Oh, I'm
intro proper. Come
feel like
in now,
some
man.
can't bother.
man says shine bright, we're beautiful like diamonds. And pick up yourself, yo. Yeah, man. Every ghetto youth out there. You see me, every trying youth, every working. You see me and say, if you're out there try and I achieve something, yeah, man, shine bright, man. You're a diamond, you're beautiful. I want to out there.
Are you hearing me, MVP?
Guess who's back?
Easy. That intro, Skippa. That intro. Yeah. Alright. Dog saying do it for granny, yeah, man. Yeah, man, alright. Cause mama say dog saying granny and grandmother take care of me now from my young youth, you see me? Grandmother inspiration. Alright, skip them. Come on. Yo, I'll mute this cause right now we can't take it. The bag of blood play ads. I already mute if the ads come in. Skip them. That's an intro gang. I know nothing about on the comment section. You see me answer? I know nothing about on the comment section, man. It's a vibe. You see me? Yeah, man. It's a vibe. Definitely a vibe. That is a proper intro. You see me answer? I want to go on for this. Yo, might have to switch over, you know. I mean, like audio 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 with the ads thing over here. You see me? Might have to go over on YouTube. Audio 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐿 trip. But yeah, man, that's our intro. Skippa. Yeah, man, proper. We'll jump in the next one. You see me on our content. You see me? Yeah, man, we listen to your EP, we slide through, you know. You see me? It's just a little hiccup because of audio 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐿 and the ads. But normally we go live. You see me, gang, normally we go live when we reacting to you see me, albums or EP, but right now that's how I work with we drop a video. I think y'all would like this better. I think more people see the reactions them when I do a video instead of the live. So we'll start dropping. So let me know in the comment section if you want more video reactions or live reactions at the EPs. You see me, gang? Next one, a content. We'll check it out. Let's get it. This sample sound crazy.
Yo, 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐿, this is cold.
Content.
It turn a dark, me I walk by myself. This type of thoughts where I go on me head. Yeah, me alive, that what half of me dead. Sorry, the stage should not keep na my bed.
What the man say yeah, me alive, but half of me. What, nigga? Yo, what the hell?
This type of thoughts where I go on me head. Yeah, me alive, that what half of me dead. Sorry, the stage should not keep na my bed. Mother listen my songs them. She say I time for me change on my content. I find a new way for touch on my fans. Them say she know from a band. Said that boy I God bless. Me nah go if me I go without my team. No want nobody else I worry about my dream. Stick to myself, me stay alone and I go see. Cause if you know I never money make me sing. Oh, mama I can't change, I'm sorry, no you're right but my songs.
Jaja, mama said me need to change up my content or something. Me can't change.
Don't change nobody, even do it for myself. No man do it for granny.
Granny. That's I don't even do it for myself. Granny me I do this so I try change over. Alright. No time when it comes to you, hey.
So damn it, they are with my demons them. You know for that, me know the real ones. Pussy them a pre-man. Come on, I did from when. My chick, I go spit. I probably just do me sing and put it on a rhythm.
Easy boy, yeah, me know everyone them boy. Go on, me a pre them, you know. Chip black, I go spit.
I ready for this, kill any man and him bitch. It's Skippa on a image. Cause this a regular thing, but not a time for gimmicks. Them just reaching at them pick up the music because it's easy talk. So boy free for talk. Dance all, I'm a bitch, my dog. You sing song, pussy no naive dog. make you lick it up a grease mark. Demons.
Y'all niggas just singing and not. Hey, now there's nothing of that.
Me nah go if me I go without my team. No want nobody else, I worry about my dream. Stick to myself, me stay alone and I go see. Cause if you know I never money make me sing. Oh mama, I can't change, I'm sorry.
Once I know money make me do this, I want to but me
know you're right, but my songs won't change. Nobody even do it for myself, no man do it for granny.
Easy now, man. This yo, I like the samples. The samples is going crazy, yo. The engineer and I think them producer them. They work well.
Are you hearing me, MPP?
But Skippa been skating on beats like this for real though. You see me? Yeah, man. I want to name content. You see me? I say gang. Let me know anything about the one in the comment section. Let's chop it up. You don't know. For sure, artists only want support making us like dancing, you know, man. I want to, no man. Yeah, man. We are slide through the tape, dog. You see me to the mixtape. Skippa, 4 granny. And it's a vibe. You see me? I say next track actually 4 grand. Let's check it out.
Feel like knock this them body. Feel like
Yo, Sam.
I nobody near me. For the music, them they hear me. Them bust me. I nobody near me.
Nobody near me for the music. Yeah.
Like Hellboy. Good boy, never born to feel. 999.
This intro go crazy. What's going on?
Know you're dead, but me still here chanting him. You look a boy, never born for fame. Remember times when it hard for gain. I know the fans, them a call my name. Feel like we see the pain in a real life. You think I grow me off a pre-life?
Man say, yo, hey, me there still chant a name. You see me, a little boy never born for fame, but me still there. Hey, go on.
Never go on like me tough and have chill life. Born dead, me not gonna know how I feel like, Lord.
Man say, yo, me not tough and going like me not chill. Like man say, I'm born. What? Skippa, come on, bro.
You think I play night out? Bag of fake friends start coming around. Just I do it so me know. So my grandmother, brother, loaded, me still a ass. So my song, them son, yeah. They used to tell me every day if go hard. Up on your knee, you a prayer, so pray I'm in a shot. Every time I come stay, no I chatting a lot.
Bala, man say, yo, me just a for make you proud. You see me and say, you see me, me know say, yo, every day I go on your knees, so I pray in a shot. Dog say, yo, bless me.
After never since I gone away, my life a fucking disaster. When I lie down and hurt my dog, got me alone for my part and can't hear no one. I hear the pussy, them attack with everything.
Jaja, dog.
Go on, boy, I feel it down in the dark, but time I switch turn on. The boy a dark, him no sorry. I got a monkey pa my back of me, I carry me, I'm a dopey empire, me I left my dead granny.
Damn, dog, yo. Crazy on this one. You see me, I said this deep and dark at the same time. Man, doing for him, granny, my youth. The man say, yo. Ever since you're gone, you see me and say my life a disaster. You see me, the one that really hurt me. I want to keep on back. I go come. Me left me up with them because I can't be dead granny anywhere me go. Damn, bro. But if you see me was an angel dog, then you see me and say Skippa.
Fucking disaster. When I lie down and hurt my dog, got me alone for my part and can't hear no one. I hear the pussy, them attack with everything go on. Boy, I feel it down in the dark, but time I switch turn on. The boy a dark, him no sorry. I got a monkey pa my back of me, I carry me, I'm a dopey empire. Me I left my dead granny. Me I left my dead granny. When I lie down and hurt my dog, got me alone for my part and can't hear no one. I hear the pussy, them attack with everything go on. Boy, I feel it down in the dark, but time I switch turn on.
Yo. Skippa loving granny, you know, dog. Okay, shut this up with that grandmother and a dog. You see me and say so, yo, the man a bit. Hey, cause hey, from here you listen to this, I definitely think grandmother and I say if a man this and that. I dirt, you know, yo, hey, yo.
Dark him sorry. I got a monkey pa my back. Yeah, carry me. I'm a dope with empire. Me no left my dead granny. Me no left my dead granny. I got heaven. It's called about the Lord. I'm in there, so I laugh and I talk to the devil. Yeah, alone in the dark, so make time pass now after I live. Like
Dog, Skippa, stop talking to the devil, dog. Talk to God, brother. God stronger than them niggas say. You see me? Yeah, man, God stronger than the devil every time, brother. Nobody feel say your last out here, me G. You see me? Your grandmother's an angel, dog. You know, you're part of the angel and I don't pay your power with me G. You see me? You say?
cap in a boat. Reach, I can never chop in a club. My job too blank, checking on my client a code. Hold him and I spin him like
that's
a
why you're
round
blessed
a
on
boat.
my youth. Your grandmother is an angel protecting you, bro. She's not a dopey or a demon, dog. You have to change your meds and mentality. Stop talking to the devil, dog. Talk to God. You see me? I say, me G. You see me? I say, yeah, man, God's stronger than the devil every time in the life. What that we say in the dog. You see me? I say, But big up to Skippa though. This man creative. Dog, I talk on a theme. You see me? I say, talk from theme perspective and theme feelings. You see me? I say, but this EP still mad though, dog.
Okay,
You see me, next one and you're wonderful. We're gonna check it out and say that.
darling, please remember when you go down to the bank, you're not going to mention nothing about the sweepstakes. They're not affiliated with the sweepstakes, so you keep everything private and confidential.
Hey boy,
Class somebody, I will get chopped, no rascal, brother, you know, yeah.
Okay, darling, please remember when you go down to the bank, you're not going to mention nothing about the sweepstakes. They're not affiliated with the sweepstakes, so you keep everything private and confidential.
hey boy.
Dog, turn on it, what they call it, the chopper language, the sweet tone. Yes, man, life sound sweet now in our school years, man. Come in, man.
Darling, please remember when you go down to the bank, you're not going to mention nothing about the sweepstakes.
Chopper Oxford. Right now.
Not affiliated with the sweepstakes, so you keep everything private and confidential.
Hey boy, fly like
Wonderful.
boy, fly like plane ticket. Boy,
Oh, clean this all crazy.
fly like plane ticket. Press the X and scrape the rim. Walk up in a squad, the dog and skate left him. Check a drop like palm and a play to flip. Yeah, a little boy having fun, so you know some face rich while and young. Now we living carefree, bad bitch boy tongue pop pill get crazy. Hold on, make me slow down so the crowd can't hear me. Yeah, send it.
Yeah, man. Skippa turning up on this bitch right now, dog. Come in, man. Oh, I'm told. Yeah. Oh, come in.
Okay, darling.
Yeah.
Please remember when you go down to the bank, you're
This is Bob talking.
not
Right
going to
now.
mention nothing about the sweepstakes.
L-boy talking now. Come in.
They're not affiliated with the sweepstakes, so you keep everything private and confidential.
Hey boy, fly like
Wonderful.
Boy, fly like what? Skippa talk to them. Come in.
boy, fly like plane ticket. Boy, fly like plane ticket. Press the X and scrape the rim. Walk up in a squad, the dog and skate left him. Check a drop like palm and a play to flip. Yeah, a little boy having fun, so you know some face rich while and young. Now we living carefree, bad bitch boy tongue pop pill get crazy. Hold on, make me slow down so the crowd can't hear me.
Easy, this nigga skating on this shit, gang. Come on.
Yeah, send a capper to the crew and all that. Cause we ever in the mood, figure chop we coulda there and dead broke, we coulda cruise, but I yet me said the back.
No capper to the blood. Hey, come in.
I still a search for the food. Now.
Pull up that bomba. Come in. This man skating on this bitch right
Rims,
now.
walk up in a squad, the dog and skate left him. Check a drop like palm and a play to flip. Yeah, a little boy having fun, so you know some face rich while and young. Now we living carefree, bad bitch boy tongue pop pill get crazy. Hold on, make me slow down
Hey, come in.
so the crowd can't hear me. Yeah, send a capper to the crew and all that. Cause we ever in the mood, figure chop we coulda there and dead broke, we coulda cruise, but I yet me said the bang, I still a search for the food never stop. Yeah, mother ass on the crunch.
Nigga skating on this shit right here. Yeah, come on.
She bought a big food, man, I pull a never on to more. To spend a money, make a money, so it cancel out. A boy, no matter what you do, no make it cangle out. So let me tell you about the second chop. Me say the giant did a run, but me catch her back. A big go up, me pull down, I never kitchen snap. Ever see a dumpy driver crown inside the pigeon that, yeah.
Please, come in, dad. Come in.
Focus on she living her shock. She never man, she never kid, she just love her cat. And now she left me fucking back, me just send her back. Never yet give me no talk, she just take her chop. Yeah, can't chop.
And she left it bank. Me just send her back, brother, and she not give me no chat. She just take the chop. Just take the chop and go on, no man, I want
And if it tank no full, fling another big charge. She say wonderful. ATM off the jam when me start to pull. She say he let night chop, I say Chicago bull. Yeah, Mocha is the only thing I fear. Them I watch my lifestyle and the car I steer. Tell me boys feel like you play.
Mocha is the only thing I fear. On to them, brother, come on. Once a Mocha, the only thing I fear, but I watch my style and the car I steer. I want to them.
Another big charge, she say wonderful. ATM off the jam when me start to pull. She say he let night chop, I say Chicago bull. Yeah, Mocha is the only thing I fear. Them I watch my lifestyle and the car I steer. Tell me voice feel like you play in her ear. Skull I pay for me weed and everything I wear. Little clown just a watch and steer. Each up on the media, watching things I share. But I better you go scam me motor skull out there. Me never envy a boy, me just take my share. Yeah.
Man, they say don't wanna watch the things that I post and share, brother. I want to tell you, better you go scam, brother. You know scoop my skull out there. You say I'm gonna say a pre, man.
Play in her ear. Skull I pay for me weed and everything I wear. Little clown just a watch and steer. Each up on the media, watching things I share. But I better you go scam me motor skull out there. Me never envy a boy, me just take my share. Yeah. Mother ass.
Never envy a boy, me just take my share. Facts, come on.
On the country bought a big food, man I pull a never on to more. Just spend a money, make a money so it cancel out. And boy no matter what you do, no make it cangle out. So me tell you about the second chop. Me say the giant did a run, but me catch her back. A big go up, me pull down and never kitchen snap. Ever see a dopey driver crown inside the pigeon that, yeah. Buckers cause she live in one shack, she never match.
Hey, this nigga sliding on this shit. Skippa. Hey, watch out if Skippa. Hey.
She never kid, she just love her cat. And now she left me fucking back, me just send her back. Never yet give me no talk, she just take her chop, yeah.
No chat, let's take a chop. Take a chop and go on now. Chop and go on now. Take a chop and go on, blows. As she left the bank, we just sell her back, man. I want to hear, man. That's a good skull. That's a good skull. Good skull. Good skull. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. For Skippa. Wonderful. Yeah, that one the man. Dog a slide no. So far, bro. Every track sliding on this shit. I ain't gonna cap to you. The first 3 tracks, dog, start off with a little bit of deep meds, but they're all sliding still. You see me? One tribute to your mother, in granny, and grandmother. You see me? Yeah, but all them slides so far, wonderful. Seem like I want to turn up. I check out the church I deal with. We don't know what church I deal with. If it's a turn up song or a deep meds. Check it out and see what I got to do. Skippa, 4 granny. Church is getting.
We are anything we chose to be. Nobody can tell me no foolishness. You chose for red eye, me chose for rich. Choose for red eye, me chose.
You chose for red eye, me chose for rich. Facts, come on now, man. Come in.
Rich.
Granny Clad upon me never realize. Come in.
Believe in yourself, man. Only you can stop you. Believe in testimony.
Believe in yourself. What me tell you every day upon the channel, guy. Believe in yourself. Only you can stop you. Facts. Believe in you will achieve. Skippa. Believe now, man. Come in, man.
Live in testimony.
Come in, man. Say, live in testimony.
Believe in yourself, man. Only you can stop you. Live in testimony.
Facts. That mafia, we going up. We are going to take over this thing. You see me? We going to 100K. Come on. We're going to 1 million. Come in.
Time longer than rope. You get more
can't
fight
stop with
when
that,
you start poor. And the hate we're sure. Always people were close. Smile for the downfall, but never yet pre-post when man sell out a show. Jiggy day.
Come in now, man. Granny Clad.
Got time longer than rope. And I always people, you know all about. So just the music alone, but me cope. Yeah, and every man up them road, but me feel like I'm my life, you a sing about. Keep my mind on the paper, cause my mother want hear, cause all the fuck me for wait for. Yeah.
Facts, I want to you, dog, I want to you. Gotta stay focused out here, forget every distraction, you see me, and say, cause, yo, things are come around, you know, brother, you gotta focus, bro, you see me? But I want you, cause you gotta tape on the paper, brother, you see me? You want things, your family want things, you gotta take care of people that really matter around you yourself, you see me, and say, go get a job.
And I always people, you know, all about, so just the music alone, when I go up. Yeah, and every man of them out, but me feel like I'm my life, you a sing about. Keep my mind on the paper, cause my mother want hear, cause all the fuck me for wait for. Yeah, me coulda got me no waiter, find a skull on a paper, dollar load up in data.
Cause when I come
Mother, who me a wait for? You see me, me couldn't. Yo, this is. Yeah, dog. Come on, we gotta take this one from the top, gang. Come on. Yeah, man, I take the one from the top, man. Boy, Skippa. Church. Listen, you dog, I preach for the
we
church.
are anything we choose to be. Nobody can tell me no foolishness.
No,
You choose for red, I may choose for rich.
Choose to red, I may choose to rich.
Believe in yourself, man. Only you can stop you. Believe in testimony.
Living testimony. Listen, man, yeah, man, I say.
You get more fight when you start poor. And they hate we sure. Always people were close. Smile for the downfall, but never yet pre-post.
Always people were close, dog.
When man sell out a show. Jiggy day.
Got time I'm gonna rope. And I always people, you know, all about, so just the music alone, when I go up. Yeah. And every man of them out, but me feel like I'm my life, you a sing about.
But listen what man I say now.
Keep my mind on the paper, cause my mother want hear, cause all the fuck me for wait for. Yeah, me coulda got me no waiter, find a skull on a paper, dollar load up in data.
Cause
when a skull and a paper, dollar load.
When I come from there, used to search for real people we work. Me know say prayer real, although you not see me in a church. Talk to God like me charge them, with my gun right under my shirt. No say prayer real, not true you never see me in a. Me say Bible with the jigger, no picture them pain but me say the bigger. Them say we a criminal, them say this a killer could never be a singer.
I know them girl up on them toes and never ballerina wanna be a.
Come in, man, yo, listen to the man there, yo, this is.
But that's for the fam from me, my part of the gang.
Just if it up probably $500,000. I'm will never change cause of remarks. Cause if you feel it, not say you lose. Tears down so you weak, yeah. But them we tell you anything for kill a dream. Them don't.
If you feel, don't say you lose. You see me, and tears don't mean a weak. Come in, man, yeah, where dog.
Just if it up probably $500,000. I'm will never change cause of remarks. Cause if you feel it, not say you lose. Tears down so you weak, yeah. But them we tell you anything for kill a dream. Them doubt the J, but how we a do it. Nice scheme, let a bend.
Them doubt the G, but how we a do it. Come in, man. Up all of my dogs, them in a reaction, Jawab.
Okay.
JWG, the Tyreek Reacts, Prodigy. You see me on TBKD. You see me J-Sauce, big up on the damn self.
No make them tell you nothing, figure kill a dream.
Remember days when bitches ever want me. Some used to class me, feared figure party. Now me push it fat, X4 and party.
Nobody can judge me. I do choice in a hate I love me. Hunt me gun, never born in a luxury. Youths can't change, don't tell me no fuck criminal.
Two choice, you know, hate I love me. Hunt me go hunt me, no born in a luxury. I want to, no man, easy. I want, hey, come in.
No make them tell you nothing, figure kill a dream.
Remember days when bitches ever want me. Some used to class me, feared figure party. Now me push it fat, X4 and party.
Nobody can.
Man say, remember the days between never want it. Never want go party. No, me, if I'm four go. Hey! Easy. Big up on the myself. You see me mentally, physically, emotionally, spiritually, all them things there. And everything will fall in place.
But them we tell you anything for kill a dream. Them doubt the J, but how we a do it. Nice scheme, let a bend and be my kid. No make them tell you nothing, figure kill a dream.
Remember days when bitches ever want me. Some used to class me, feared figure party. Now me push it fat, X4 and party.
Nobody can judge me. I do choice in a hate or love me. Hunt me gun, never born in a luxury. Youth can't change, don't tell me no fuckery. Me come from robbery, yo. And if you feel it, not say you lose. Tears don't say you weak, yeah. But them we tell you anything for kill a dream. Them doubt the J, but how we a do it. Yeah. In a scheme, let a Benz and be my key. No make them
tell you anything for kill a dream. Now in a scheme, I'll be able to Benz and be my key.
Tell you nothing for go kill a dream.
We for go party. And now I'm pushing fat X4X. Follow my lap. Follow my lap.
These niggas preaching on this shit. No wonder I call it church. Come in, no man. No wonder I call it church. Cause this nigga preaching by church. I want to hear, man. Yeah, man. Skippa. Chronic Law. The one they name Church Gang. I want to hear this nigga sliding on the track so far, bro. You see me? And the next track we have a GTS. But you see, before we jump in on the one, yeah? This is how we are going to do. Check out what we're going over here, so. I feel so many things over here, so. I feel like this one sound louder. Am I tripping?
Yeah, Skippa do what I want.
This sound loud after me. Am I tripping, gang? Let me know if I'm tripping, gang.
Yeah, Skippa do what I want.
Where's the sound louder to me?
These niggas do what they can.
Yeah, man. How them have sound louder? What go on? Eh? But yeah, man, gang, the next one we are doing that GTS. You see me? GTS. Oh, go on. You see me? So far, Skippa sliding on every track. We check out intro content for Granny Wonderful and Church. And this nigga sliding so far. The next one we check out a GTS, gang. We're not all the vibe. Let's go.
Yeah, Skippa do what I want. These niggas do what they can. I'm round with a new infinite. Girl, I smile when them see the white beam from the beam. Yeah, she fine, but I'm good, I don't really fuck fans. Dog, that bitch, I look for the G, see me.
Hold on. This nigga sliding on this shit already, dog.
Bitch, I look for the G, see me.
No, man,
Louis V, on shirt, bad sneakers. And then the bookings over.
I would not know, I'm gonna pull up that. GTS.
Yeah. Skippa do what I want. These niggas do what they can. I'm round with a new infinite. Girl, I smile when them see the white beam from the beam. Yeah, she fine, but I'm good, I don't really fuck fans. Dog, that bitch, I look.
Skippa do what him want. These niggas do what they can.
With a G, see me. Louis V, on shirt, bad sneakers. And then the bookings over, get the gang, I bring in the steam. A bag of bitches standing next to me all over the media. And now these bitches wanna ride with a G. Girl, along with her tongue, cause she want me for see. Just I'ma go on, if you're looking at my eyes, you can see. Said that boy, I ain't grinding. I love money from the boy, had to make it out. And I ain't play with no toys, chose a different route. I could've listened to the noise, had to figure it out. And I be getting so annoyed when money run out. And everybody knows that it's
easy. Skip them. Stop playing, this nigga sliding on the track.
But I never know, say the killer couldn't rap. And anyway you see me, know say you a look on God. Me shoulda dead last week, but me put off that. I saw me slide through flat bush, fat bush, GTS. Bell tell us in a pussy test. Pop just copy C43 Benz. Skin white like the porcelain sets. I have a lifestyle coming like movie.
Some slide through blur GTS. Don't tell us no NPT, no. That's around here. I'm to them. Come in.
But just left the stage show with a groupie. Clear the road, make it big for cruising. Take over dance without a TikTok routine. Cause I've been grinding by myself. All alone, I don't need no help. The cigarettes been bad for my health, and I'm finding demons under my bed. All alone, I don't need no help. The cigarettes been bad for my health, and I'm finding demons under my. Furthermore, more, me not fi touch stage. And if the music no work, me not go frustrate. We make call, we no wait for the play.
Ooh, this man sliding, bro. I'm still stop playing that. Yeah, man, say if music no work, me not go frustrate, bro. Me not fi touch stage. I want to your dog. How you feel?
If me granny dogs, fuck all who a complain. New design, no way hard to spell. Three of my niggas who was trapping, they got stuck in the pen. My dog just got out, and they got him again. The new beans proud mouth, and the inside is red, yeah. Already told you about my new infinite. That shit got me excited, I can't wait to go spin. Cause I'ma shot a nigga once, and I'ma shot him again. And this shit coming.
I already told you about my new FN, nigga. You feel me? Yo, this shit got me excited to spin, nigga. You see me how I say, oh,
fuck all who a complain.
This nigga, aye, hola. Hola. Hey, yeah, dog. This nigga sliding on this shit. This man sliding, man. So me already tell you about my new FN.
Skin white like the boy.
This shit got me excited to spin. I want to if a nigga, hey, come on. This shit got me excited almost like.
Two flat bush, fat bush, GTS.
We pull that shit out, gang. Yeah, man, skin. Yo, dog, Skippa GTS. Bro, you sliding on this one, Skippa. Come in.
Skin white like the porcelain sets. I have a lifestyle coming like movie. But just left the stage show with a groupie. Clear the road, make it big for cruising. Take off a dance without a TikTok routine. Cause I've been grinding by myself. Alone, don't need no help. The cigarette's been bad for my health, and I'm finding demons under my bed. I'm grinding by
myself, bro. Nigga got the Uzi there, the white. Skippa styling, bro. Mad. Hey, man, styling.
Alone, don't need no help. The cigarette's been bad for my health, and I'm finding demons under my. Furthermore, me not fi touch stage. And if the music no work, me not go frustrate. We make call, we no wait for the play. Do it for me granny dogs, fuck all who a complain. New design, no way hard to spell. Three of my niggas who was trapping, they got stuck in the pen. My dog just got out, and they got him again. The new beans proud mouth, and the inside is red, yeah. Already told you about.
So I got a new dog, just go get my brand new Benz inside. You see me, Broadmoor inside already. I want to you, brother.
Money infinite, that shit got me excited. I can't wait to go spin. Cause I'ma shot a nigga once and I'ma shot him again. And this shit coming from the top cause I don't rap with a pen.
I'm already telling you about my new FN, you know that. Cause this shit got me excited to spin. You see me, I say, cause I'ma shot a nigga once and I'ma shoot him again. This shit coming off top, dog. Man, right with no pen. Man said all this is off the dome, my G.
I want little boy, I want Skippa that. I mean tell us say artist I can't enough sing about money. Who really I chop enough sing about car? Who really drive that? Cause I've been grinding by myself. Alone, I don't need no help. The cigarette's been bad for my health, and I'm finding demons under my bed. I'm grinding by myself. Alone, I don't need no help. The cigarette's been bad for my health, and I'm finding demons under my head. Hey, bitch, I look for the G, see me. Louis V pan shirt, bad sneakers. And then the booking so we get the gang and bring in the steam. A bag of bitches standing next to me.
Look for the G, see me, I want to. Yeah man, we doing this Dan Mafia.
I love for the media. I know these bitches wanna ride with a G. Girl along with her tongue cause she want me for see. Just I'ma go on if you're looking at my eyes you can see. Said that boy I ain't grinding. I love money from the boy, had to make it out. And I ain't play with no toys, chose a different route. I couldn't listen to the noise, had to figure it out. And I be getting so annoyed when money run out. And everybody knows that they skip us.
I want to you. Yeah man, we get money from I want to man. I don't play on a tight, choose a different road. Nigga, I want to you, man. I be getting so annoyed when the money run out. I want to, we gotta get to the paper.
And chop, but I never know, say the killer couldn't rap. And anyway you see me, know say you a look on God. Me shoulda dead last week, but me put off that.
Are you hearing me, MPP?
Dead last week, put it off. I want to the better. I mean, it's crazy.
Yo, Cardo, this is cold.
Skippa. For Granny.
Yo, E-man, brawling
GTS playlist. Hey! Wonderful church GTS. Oh, this man sliding on these shits, bro. Man sliding on every track, but this is what this nigga that's turned up on a different mode. You see me I say? Yeah, man, gang. One thing about the one there. We know when I deal in that comment section. You see me I say? The next one on the track tomorrow, you know. Tomorrow. Not yesterday. You see me? Not tomorrow. We're gonna check it out right now. Let's get it.
Guess who's back?
Yes, me can't deal with the blow I think you know dog. What am I deal with? So me can't deal with the audio Mac. No skips. So I go on.
3, 2, 1.
You get it though, gang. I want to have them acronym ads, man. These long ass ads, bro. Come on. Go back on YouTube, bro. Next one we have a tomorrow, gang. As me I say.
Age 7 years for a richer, smooth.
Same thing over here, so I'll go on with YouTube. I'm gonna try sabotage the thing. I want to them one coming tomorrow. You get tell that that's cold though, a little bit cold though, Skips. You see me as a dream, brother. You see me tell a girl too. You see me as if me had night done, me no care me. Yo, well make the I talk to my mother and I'm sitting there, if I've tried clean man say, yo, yeah man, I gotta know who I am. You see me I say, just look my face and tell me where I stand. You see me I say? And if I want told me at mama if I borrow. What you mean, man? You do your thing so nobody can style you. You see me I say? Can't wrong you, man. Because when you can, you see me, you can borrow, you know. You want people have things over you and can, you know. Style you that say, do you have to do to get this bread fast? That banger, man. Come in, you know. Jeez. Skip them. Yo, this is a well put together. So far, yeah, man, well put together piece of a project. For real, man. And it's song slap on this shit. You see me what I'm saying? Skippa. Then Young. We already reacted to Young, the video. But you see me want to react to it again? Or should we skip over to it? Skip over Young. Because I already have the video to Young uploaded. Should I do it again? I already have the video to Young, so go check out Young on my channel. You see me what I say? Do I already have the video? Hold on, let's see if I already have the video uploaded. Yeah, I already have Young uploaded. Go check out the video on my channel, gang. You see me? You'll watch that video, my reaction to that one already. We'll skip over this one and go to rumors. Let's get it, gang.
Yo, 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, this is cold.
You're hearing rumors about me and you can't stomach the thought of someone touching my body when you're so close to my heart. I won't deny what they're saying because most of it is true, but it was all before I fell for you. So please, yeah, you only want me come and sing. You're ready, yeah, you want everything, me shoulda know. You're looking at me, yeah, you lie to my soul. I know if you're dead, bitch, I swear I woulda know. Tired of tell about my demons, them. When I got out, me sing feelings, them. Run around you and all of your creeping friends. You never really shoulda see it from them.
Bumbleclee, that's crazy. That's crazy. Go on, hold on.
When you're so close to my heart, I won't deny what they're saying because
that was girl dog attack.
But it was all before I fell for you. So please, yeah, you only want me come and sing. You're ready, yeah, you want everything, me shoulda know. You're looking at me, yeah, you lie to my soul. I know if you're dead, bitch, I swear I woulda know.
Peace, a wicked girl.
Tell about my demons, them. When I got out, me sing feelings, them. Run around you and all of your creeping friends. You never really shoulda see it from them. And I know, yeah, that I did you wrong. You can't come back from that. You can't come back from that. And I know that the feelings were strong, but you can't come back from that. You can't come back from that.
That's crazy.
Not yes, I'm a fuck ups, but you know see me I try. A different bitch me a fuck when you know see me a nice, but baby it no go so. Me just a put in the time and a pill in my cup and it a shot in my life. So don't wait on me. Think I wear them a hate on me. From what the bag of fuck you wait on me. Man a killer say you can't see the pain on me.
Easy now, man, go on.
Pain on me, yeah. And these days me feel like a dead man. Some smoke the cheese, some mental. Think me find me girl, but you was a rental. Yeah.
Oh, please.
Think I wear them a hate on me. From what the bag of fuck you wait on me. Man a killer I say you can't see the pain on me. Pain on me. Yeah, and these days me feel like a dead man. Some smoke the cheese, some mental. Think me find me girl, but you was a rental. Yeah, you was a rental. But me now make you wet my chip. The memories gone from me like my split. Plus me can't control if you want be a bitch. And if you leave or you stay, I'm still damn rich.
Bala. Come in, hey.
Think me find me girl, but you was a rental. Yeah, you was a rental. But me now make you wet my chip. The memories gone from me like my split. Plus me can't control if you want be a bitch. And if you leave or you stay, I'm still damn rich. But I cry, I'm gone. Enough text, enough to call me down. Me gone far uptown. Me turn my back and I will never spin around you, you know. No matter what we had before, I've closed that door. I've closed that door.
Bala, come in.
All I hear that you must about me, and you can stomach the thought of someone touching my body. In my heart.
Still up listening. Know me. For granny.
Bala. Yeah, man. Well put together project. That got something for everybody on that shit. You see me what I say? This one's for Granny. Mad. Hey, well put together project, gang. Yeah, we know what I think about it in the comment section. You see me and say if you like it, definitely show the artist all of our support. Make you know say you are the dance. Say no. You see me and say, yeah, man. Let me know what your favorite part was in the comment section. What track was your favorite track? You see me and what was your favorite part about that track? Let me know if you was a Skippa fan. Let me know if you said nighttime. I wanna deal with. You see me and say gang, but Skippa, bro. Yeah, well put together project, man. Shout out to you and the producer and everybody came together to make this project, mixtape, EP, album, whatever you want to call it. You see me and say it's a really good vibe, man. Really good vibe, really good energy. You see me? So big up the damn self. Gang, let me say go show the artist all of us support. Let me know anything about that in the comment section. Let's chop it up. You already know. Let me know if you want more videos like this, where I drop videos on the project reactions, or if I want to do it live like I normally do. Gang, let me know all of that in the comment section. Let's chop it up. On the road to 10K, hit the like and subscribe button. We're only 300 away from 7K and 3K away from 10K. So yeah, do the right thing, hit the like and subscribe button. You don't know. Till next time, gang. It's your boy Jambisco here and I hit and I smash and banger. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.
Me, I always tell the truth, even when I lie.